Automate your grid trading trades smarter, not harder. We help crypto traders automate grid strategies on Binance. Trade 24 over 7 without emotions and stop losses. Download and start today. So guys, achieve consistent profits in a volatile market with a smart grid strategy. It works 24 over 7 even while you sleep. Minimizing risk and maximizing your opportunities. Our program is a specialized grid trading bot and trading tool, not an exchange. Your funds are always safe in your own accounts, so requires an active account on the Binance exchange. Why is ATHgrid the best grid trading bot for a sideways market? ATHgrid multi trading bot is your secret tool for success, especially in a sideways market and during bears markets. Thanks to its unique grid strategies, the bot can generate profits even when prices fall or move in a narrow range. Unlike traditional strategies that often fail in difficult conditions, our bot effectively utilize volatility to buy low and sell high regardless of the overall market trend. Don't let market volatility hold you back. Our bots works for you to matter no matter the conditions. So guys, learn about the mechanics, operating principle and opportunities our innovative trading bot opens up for you. So guys, what is grid trading? Grid trading is a trading strategy that involves placing they sell order at predetermined price intervals around a selected asset's price. The goal is to achieve a small regular profit from price fluctuations within a specified range regardless of marketing direction. The bot automates this process by placing a numerous buy order below the current price and sell order above it, creating a grid of orders. Utilize price fluctuations, minimize risk of large losses, ideal for sideways markets. So guys, how does the ATHgrid program work? Our ATHgrid grid trading bot is an advanced tool that automates your grid trading strategy 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. After connecting to your exchange counting account using secure API keys, ATHgrid analyzes the market and continuously adjusts order in your grid. The program monitors prices, executes by sell transaction and manage your levels, keeping you informed about progress and profit in real time. It now accesses your funds only for trading purpose. A full automation, secure API connection and with real-time notification. So in your opportunities with the Ethereum grid, with the ATHgrid you again unparalleled control and potential in the cryptocurrency market. You can set your own price range and intervals, so choose from a wide variety of trading pairs and adopt strategies to your risk appetite. The bot works for you, freeing up your time and reducing the emotion associated with the trading. Even during market consolidation, when others are losing, ATHgrid can generate profits, turning volatility into your advantage. Earn, learn and scale your operating with our sport. So custom strategies, street and emotion reduction, profit scaling. So discover a proven grid trading strategy that combined with the discipline and proper capital management can generate steady profits. So guys, it's a revolution in grid trading with skip level selling. So ATHgrid 1.2 revolution in grid trading. Buy at the grid, sell higher. For example, 2% multiplied by 3 levels is equal to 6% profit. So for years, trading has been a reliable strategy for profiting from market volatility. The principle is simple: buy low, sell high, over and over. But what if you could make every sell significantly more profitable? What if you could capture bigger moves without sacrificing the systematic nature of the grid? Today we are excited to announce a feature that fundamentally changes the game. Welcome to ATHgrid 1.2 and the skip level revolution. So the skip level feature, but buy at the grid, sell higher. So standard grid bots are effective, but we have one limitation: that typically sell at the every next grid lineup, capturing the smallest possible profit in the system. ATHgrid 1.2 shatters this limitation with our new skip level functionality. You are in complete control of your profit targets. So you can now configure the bot to sell your position 2, 3, 4, or even more grid level higher than your by order. So imagine a grid with 2% spacing between levels. Instead of settling for a 2% profit, you can instruct the bot hold the position of 3 levels and sell for a 6% profit. The bot continues to accumulate assets at every level on the way down, but on the way up it aims for much more significant gains. This combines the automated stress-free accumulation of grid trading with the higher profit potential of swing trading. So see in action a real world example. 3D is great, but proof is better. The chart below shows the skip level feature working on ETC or USDT pair. The bot was configured to buy at each level but sell 3 level higher, so capturing 6% profit on every cycle. So notice how buy 1 corresponds to sell 1, buy 2 to sell 2, and so on. This is automated profit maximization in its purest form. So each sell order in executed 3 grids level above its corresponding buy order. So words and pictures can only say so much. So watch our new promotional video to feel the power and simplicity of ATHgrid 1.2 and see how it turns market volatility into your personal ATM. So guys, the next evolution of grid trading is here. ATHgrid 1.2 with the skip level feature is more than just an update. It's a new way to approach automated trading by giving you the power to define larger profit targets within your grid. You can significantly increase your profitability without increasing your workload or emotional stress. So it's ready to revolutionize your trading. So next you can see it's the ultimate guide to grid trading, a strategy for any market condition. So in grid trading for beginners, many investors in the cryptocurrency market believes in the mantra of diversification. We spread our capital across many promising projects, which is of course a correct risk management practice. But what if the art season everyone is waiting for never comes? What if the market pulls back again and enters an accumulation phase for the next 2 to 3 years? Do you have a plan for that? Or maybe all season will arrive, but it will only be a momentary, a euphoric and a spike, after which is as always a long night and silence in the market will follow. So what then? What is your plan? There is one answer: grid trading strategy that allows you to earn where most people cry during periods of volatility and sideways trends. So with carefully selected assets and a system like ATHgrid, you can turn market uncertainty into your advantage. So let's look at our case study, the ETC USDT pair. And analysis of the historical chart teaches us patience. After the 2018 bull market highs, Ethereum Classic entered a period of bear market and accumulation that lasted a full 887 days. After such a long period of silence, a powerful upward shot occurred. So, and what's next? The market began to consolidate Again, it is in these long seemingly boring periods that the really fun for the grid strategy begins. So the safest and most effective approach is to set up the grid for the long term. We start by identifying solid established projects that have already survived at least one bear market. For our ETC USDT example, whose peaks was $176 and 80% drops, gives us a price around $35. Our plan involves setting up a grid in the range of $12 to $34. Why this range? The lower bound $12 is near the bottom of the previous bear market, and the upper bound $34 is a significant resistance level that has been tested multiple times. We will set up the grid with the level every 5%. So if you need a helper script, the trading view that assists in visualizing and deploying grids. So let's assume we allocate $1,000 to this strategy. And how does our bot manage this capital? Let's use our grid calculator tool. Here you can see it's minimum Sena 12, maximum Sena 34, and percent Siatki 5, and the Stopney capital Kakowati 1000. So here you can see it's the TP do Semelekji 719. So guys, after entering the data range $12 to $34 level every 5% capital $1,000, the accumulate determines that we have 22 level in the grid, and we should allocate $45.45 per level. This is the key to success. We must have enough capital to cover all buy orders within our range. Discipline is fundamental. So when we start the bot at a price of, for example, $18, it begins to operate, placing several buy orders below and several buy order above the current price. But what does it buy up? This is a unique feature of the long strategy which allow earning even if its price only rises from the moment the bot is started. When the price reaches a level of say $18.90, the bot buys this position and immediately sets a sell order 5% higher at $19.85. When the price gets there, the position is sold at a profit, and a bot immediately places another buy order at the same level while also activating a new buy order at the next higher grid level. And what happens when the trend reverses? The bot, which always maintains 5 to 6 active orders around the price, begins to buy back cheaper the same level it previously sold higher. During high volatility, the bot can execute several such trades in a single day on the very same price levels. So guys, here you can see if the price falls after starting the bot, the initially open position will be at a loss. This is natural. It is precisely here that patience and discipline are key, which over time will bring the desired profits when the trend reverses. So we conduct a back test for the ETC USDT pair on Binance for the last year. The maximum period available on the exchange during this time, the bot executed 197 take profit trades. So without reinvesting profits, we achieve a 163% return on capital. This is a safer option where profit are regularly set aside. With reinvesting profits, the magic of compounding comes into play. The profit from each trading or added to the capital for that level, increasing future profits. In this scenario, the simulated return is a staggering 412%. So ready to put these strategies into action without being glued into a screen. Download ATHgrid today and start automating your trading on Binance. So our strategy is based on the concept of grid trading, but with the intelligent enhancement. Instead of predicting market direction, ATHgrid profit from volatility automatically buying when prices drop and selling when they rise within a predefined range. The bot also initially places buy order above the current price, allowing it to trade even when the price is already rising from the start, all within in the designed designated grid range. So the bot creates a grid of buy and sell order based on your parameters: minimum price, maximum price, operational range, and grid percentage grid density. Key to this is a dynamic order management. ATHgrid maintains active order only at the nearest level around the current price, ensuring more efficient capital use and minimizing frozen funds. So in discipline and capital management, the most critical aspect of the strategy are discipline and proper capital base management. For that strategy to work effectively and safely, you must ensure sufficient funds on your exchange account to cover potential buy orders or at all grid level. This capital base allow the bot to operate uninterrupted even during market downturns. So our bot ensure you stay in the game by placing only a maximum of 6 active order at any time. This intelligent management maximize potential profit while keeping most of your capital available, not logged in distant order. So ATHgrid also often as automatic profit reinvestment features. So when activated, every profit realized at a grid level is automatically added to the base amount of for subsequent trades at that level. This is a powerful mechanism that allows you to leverage the effect of compound interest, increasing your long-term profit without any additional intervention. Join the ranks of satisfied ATHgrid multi-trading board user and start building your passive income today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to optimize your investment. So hope this video is very informative to you. See you in next video.